the task at hand is to replace the wiper hose. For those of you who have added the struts to the hood of your S550, if you don't reroute the cord, when it comes down, it's going to pinch your hose. That's very difficult to repair because of the ribbing. So in order to replace the wiper hose, you're going to need to remove several of the clips that hold your shield, the Fender shield, in place. Once you've got that removed, then you can see where to attach the coupler for the new wiper hose, and simply run it and guide it through the vehicle where it will go, and then clip it in. You'll need to take off the insulation of your hood, just a little bit of it, and otherwise it's not too bad of a job. One thing I'd recommend is that you drain your washer fluid so that when you're disconnecting those these couplers, that you won't get fluid leaking out everywhere. So we've got the clips all removed. It's time to unhook the couplers. Another tip here, this is the hose coupler. So this retainer ring, to remove the coupler from the washer reservoir and from the sprayers, you're going to need to take this retainer clip and just give it a half a twist, and then it'll just pop right off. Make sure you don't leave these in this position for long, otherwise the strength of that retainer will be weakened. So I want you to see this hose coupler going on the attached washer sprayer here. So you don't need to twist off the retainer halfway. You're just going to push it till it clips into place, and that's it. And then make sure you put your holders like so. Another thing you can do to take off the slack of the hose is don't leave these clips on the hose fixed in place. You can actually unclip the hose, the clip, and then relocate it so that when you position it, it's not going to be like really loose, and will give you some extra hose down here where you're going to need it so it doesn't get pinched. So give your hose just a little bit of slack so that that point there where the hose would normally run down straight here, so when it closes down on the strut here, it won't pinch. So just give it a little bit of extra hose, just a bit of a loop there. One last note, you're going to need the right tools for the job, and to remove the liner from your hood, those panel clips, you're going to use this door panel remover tool. It's also helpful when you're removing those shield clips. So you're going to use the flat screwdriver to get it started, and then you're going to wedge your panel tool remover just underneath the clip and pop them off. So get the right tools for the job. This is all it requires. Probably looking at about 1 hour from start to finish. Remove your wheel and remove the shield, remove the old hose, and the reverse, install the new hose, and you're ready to go.